Hi, to use quick replies on the Huawei Band 9, you will need to open this Huawei Health app, which is installed on your phone. I hope so. And here, just find your device and make sure that the band is connected to this app. And in that case, you'll see the name of your band and its battery percentage. Now, simply select it, scroll a bit, and you'll see the quick replies. So here you will find the default replies, and if you want to remove some, you can just use these crows. So just tap it and select this button to delete. Also, you can reorder those quick replies. So just drag these lines up like that. Just press it and drag it onto the screen wherever you want. So after this step, you can add your own reply here. So just type in something, for example, at work, and tap the OK button. And also keep in mind that there is only 36 character limit. So just tap OK, and now you have your personal quick reply. So when someone will call you and you're busy at the moment, you can send any of those replies, and that's it. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.